Hello everyone, welcome to Full Seller. In this video, we will explain how to sync listings from Shopify store to TikTok store. Go to the listing tab. Products listed under active, inactive, and removed section can be synced to TikTok shops by either import to shops or copy by shop. Take the active section as an example. If you just need to sync single listing, you can choose import to shops. Click active button. You will see the list of products to be synced. Check the blank grid to select items you want to sync. Click Import to Ships button in the action bar or Import to Ship button in the action column of the list. Check the store you want to sync, and you can customize whether to synchronize the SKU mapping relations in the original store. Click the Import button. After the green progress bar is loaded, it means the synchronization is successful. Click View the generated draft button to view the products that have been synced, and the corresponding drafts have been generated in the TikTok draft list. Click Edit button in the action column of the list. You can match the product category and variant attributes of synced goods. The information such as variant and picture will be brought in automatically. After matching, you will enter the editing page to add other unfilled fields. Add or delete the product information you want to change under Product Info, Photo and Video, Specifics, Description, Pricing, Shipping section. Required fields are marked with a red asterisk. Click Save and Publish button to publish to TikTok store and complete the update. Please note that under the suspended column, the platform will automatically capture the upload status. Under Reviewing, you can see the product being reviewed. If it is not published successfully, add it in field and upload it again. In the frozen state, it is an illegal product that is prohibited from being published. If you want to sync the whole Shopify store, you can choose Copy by Shop. Click Copy by Shop button. In the Copy From column, select the commodities that needs to be synced in bulk according to the three types of active, inactive, and removed. In the Copy To column, select target store platform and the store name. Choose Copy or Skip to decide whether to skip the product, including deleted product in this shop, which has already been copied to the target shop or not. Please note that customize whether to synchronize SKU mapping relations in the original store. Click Import. Add or delete the product information including product info, photos and video, specifics, description, pricing, shipping you want to change. The step is same as import to shops. That concludes our introduction to complete process for syncing Amazon listings to TikTok. If you have any questions or suggestions using it, please feel free to contact us. See you next time.